Hi guys, and welcome back. So today we're putting together this custom planner that I got from the Happy Planner. There are just so many inserts, but we've made it through the final one. And again, I've made all of these in separate videos. One just for easy viewing, and two, I do know that some of yous, somebody may be interested in the budget extension pack, somebody else may be interested in the meal planning, while, the other people are just interested in just the planner itself. So these are all separate videos that you can find on my channel, but let's just do a quick recap just in case if you're just like Sally, I don't know what the heck you're talking about. So I picked the custom planner that has this gorgeous cream cover. It's like a leather material. Comes with a little pocket in that. It's cute. We're not gonna do like a full flip through, but it comes with matching dividers, and it is a July through June planner. And I did pick the checklist pages, which are going to be so freaking helpful. I have been waiting for this planner to arrive, guys. So this is the whole meal planning extension pack, and again, I love these neutral colors. They do actually go quite nicely. We have the budget extension pack that we've already put in here, and again, it's just neutral. It's simple looking. This really does speak my language, guys. I don't like it whenever the planners are like overdone, because I mean, I like to decorate them, so I don't know, I find it difficult to decorate a planner that's like already, to me, overly decorated. So the more simple it is, the better. So the last and final package that we got here, and these are 6-month extension packs that you can add to your custom planner order. Oh my god, again. I am so sorry, guys. It's just hot and humid, and for some reason I tend to lose my voice and get the burps. So if you can hear that, I do excuse myself. So, as you can see, I am in desperate need of the stress management pack. So, it is a 12-month planner, but the extension packs themselves are only 6 months. So I'm kind of hoping that there's a way where I can purchase more of these extensions, because I do really like these. These are kind of cool. It's like having like a weird little guided journal area for each specific topic, and we're going to put this in the planner as we go. I'm only doing 1 month at a time in the planner because I don't want her to get too bulky. So it's like this gorgeous blue gray, and again, it just takes that icon from the front and it just kind of throws it on the back of the dashboard. So I really love the style of this, guys. This is, again, this is like the first Happy Planner that I've bought in a long time, and I'm really enjoying it. So each of the extension packs come with 2 sticker sheets, because they are undated. So if you want to date them with the stickers, you can. They do give you enough of these. Oh my god, so this is kind of interesting. They all come with icons that involve what it's going to be discussing. So I'm seeing that it does have like some shopping, some monies, some calendars, yeah, of course, all those appointments, and it does have some meals, and of course the plane to get in and get away. So let me put this up here in the box, because again, I'm only adding 1 month, guys. This planner is gonna be like that thick by the end of the year. So they give you a monthly layout, which, I mean, guys, I'm gonna have so many monthly layouts, I don't need all of them. And this is what the stress management weekly layout looks like. So okay, so we're going to be setting up habits, keeping track of consistency, So we have breathing. These are your daily exercises and habits. So we got breathing routines for 90 seconds, which I almost feel like I need today because it is difficult to breathe. Mindfulness for 90 seconds. So, which I love how they picked the 90 seconds. I feel like I could definitely meditate longer than that, but okay, if you just give yourself 90 seconds. I could probably make like little habit trackers over here for other things like water and that. And they give you a nice little checklist here. And then you got this nice spacious area, probably for journaling. I'm going to say I'm going to use this for journaling. So let's see if they change anything up for the weekly. So this is your stress. This is your stress management, breathing, and mindfulness. I don't know about you, but I need a lot more than that for my stress management. Mine is, I like to paint. So painting would probably be like one of my habits that I would be checking in. And journaling. I love my morning journaling. It just helps me reflect on the day before, so that I'm not like still in the day where I'm emotionally charged on what happened for the day. I can actually, have a night's rest and think about it. So this would be I guess like the dashboard moving into the next month. So they're giving you again another area to write. That's your motivational reminder. And then you got the task and projects. So by de-stressing, what 2 major tasks or projects will you be able to complete more efficiently? Yeah, I've noticed I am way better at filming after I paint. I did not get to paint before these films. I am just way calmer. Reading. Reading is another good one. So those are 2 that, I call them my safety task of, where if you're going to be doing something that you want to try your best on, I try to relax myself before I go into them. And again, you got the 3 priorities. So you get to log what is this? To prioritize and encourage your success, log your progress through the month, write down what worked well for you and what needs work as you move forward. So it is like a little progress tracker during the month, because again, I don't know if you have the same problem, but there are times where I'm working on something and I just feel like I'm not making any progress with it at all. And I do this a lot in my daily planner, but really all I gotta do is just go back like a week or 2 and it's like, damn, you did a lot. We have come a long way. So I'm guessing that's what that is. That's the friendly reminder of like, you may feel like you're just treading water and not getting anywhere, but most of the time you are doing a lot more than what you think you are. Oh my God, they changed them, guys. Okay, so that's, I always try to flip through just to make sure. So, for the first month, it was breathing and mindfulness. For the next month, you get appreciation and care and reframing. Again, I'm gonna need more than one event. And again, I apologize for the voice, guys. It's super humid. I do work around strong chemicals. Probably should be wearing respirators, but do we get respirators? We do not. So, joys of summer. Okay, so month 3, we have journaling and exercise. This is my month right here. This is really what I'm into. I like how they only give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes of exercise. But, I mean, if you're not really into exercise, 5 minutes is all you really need to try. So, that's, I do love the 5-minute rule. It's how I get the most accomplished during the day. So, let's see here. The next month we got is acknowledge success in setting goals. Might actually move this one more towards December. Then that way I'll be ready for January, right? And let's see what we got in the next month. So it is kind of nice that they do switch them out. Okay, so we got repeating affirmations and visualizations. Visualization is actually one of the real ones that it sounds silly, but again, that's one of the ways that I get things done. Because, I mean, if you get a really nice, true visualization, it really makes you want what you visualized. Like the hot fudge sundae that I'm thinking of right now. So, okay, and then I believe this would be the last month, as we have rest and sleep and find the joy. And again, these are all undated, so if you want to work on two of these habits before the other, you can just swap out the months, which again makes it really nice. And like I said, they only come with 6 months worth, and then you get to start on that page again. And I really hope that there's a way that you can purchase more of these, unless you got to keep getting a custom planner. That would be a bummer. Okay, so before I completely lose my voice, guys, that is all. That is, we have made it through all of the extensions. So again, we've done the stress management, we've done the budgeting, we've done the meal planning, and of course we have the actual planning part. For me, that is good enough. That is enough in a planner for me. And again, if you've purchased one of these custom planners, let me know your thoughts on and your experience down in the comments. If you got any of the other extension packs, let me know what you think, because like I said, they don't let you see what the extension packs look like. You're literally just picking them based on the topic. So I'm kind of curious what's all included in the other ones. And again, I do have a link in the description down below. It gives you a nice promo if you want to check one of these out for yourself. And again, it gives me a nice promo as well. So it's just a nice win-win. And I really appreciate it when you use my affiliate links. And that's it, guys. We have our July to June planner built and ready to go. And I can't wait to start sharing this with you on my Instagram page. So, again, guys, I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate all the views. I appreciate the comments and the likes. It really does make my day. And I love sharing products like this with you. So, again, I'm just going to close out. And again, thank you. I do really mean it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you saw and you want to see more Plan With Me's, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button.